Hi everybody, welcome to this next video. I believe it's number 5 of my tutorial series. We just started a new tutorial map area, a new tutorial project, and we have an untitled scene right here. So I'm gonna fast forward through the usual terrain stuff, and we can get to making some trees. Let's start with trees. So I'm going to do the stuff if you remember from my previous series. Create 3D object, terrain, center that terrain on screen. I'm going to paint that terrain with some nice textures. Add texture. Grass. Add. All right. Now let's get to some trees, shall we? Now trees are a little different in that they require an asset pack that I showed you how to get in the last video. So let's start off by clicking this tree button right here. It's right next to the paintbrush and right next to the flowers, which we will get to later. But when we click this, it'll be a little different than adding a texture. We're adding an asset that will be randomly put into the map with Perlin noise. Perlin noise being the way that anything is put into a map at random. If you ever played Minecraft, that is how they create terrain generation. It's a huge mathematical theorem that I could barely understand. But let's first click Add Trees. When we click Add Tree, it'll be Empty Game Object. We click this little circular object right here, and we'll be given a list of trees from the environment assets. So I like conifers. Myself, they're nice and tall and have pretty good prefabs, if I do say so myself. And there we go. It'll take a second to load. And when we are on our terrain, we can paint trees just as easy as that. Now, there's a lot of things involved with painting trees in that it takes a second for it to load, but you can change the noise. See, we have the tree height over here while this thing's loaded, brush size, tree density, and we can lock the width and height of a tree. And I have it set it to random right now, so we can create a good forest. But I like to say this forest is a little too dense. So let's take down the tree density to a good 33, and that'll allow me to have a less dense forest. See you in the next video, and we're going to be talking about grass, flowers, and other things that is useful to make a terrain look more aesthetically pleasing. And these trees are fully functioning, by the way. So I'll see you in the next one.